Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix camera and reset camera settings in Redmi A5 smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So firstly you have to open your camera, click on settings and then click on scroll down, click on restore default settings. So your every settings that you have made will be reset. You will not lose any app data in this smartphone, so don't worry or don't panic if you are doing this. Then secondly you can do is long press the camera application, click on I button. Here is storage and cache, clear data, and give all the permissions like photos and videos, microphone and anything else. This will fix your camera. I hope you like this video. If you like this video then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.